also, a quick reminder to click subscribe now. Because of the medical nature of our content, YouTube has pulled many of our videos out of search and your video feed. So the only way to see our best content is to click the bell next to the subscribe button now. That will keep you updated and give you notifications about all of our videos, even the age-restricted ones. We asked, and here's what you had to say about Rest More.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well, and I have like no residual, like, sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
That's right, Rest More. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
I'm bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Rest More yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Rest More. There's an Amazon link in the description below.